Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yo, it's going to be a weekly vlog and it's nighttime. Oh girl, it's going to record right from here. And I'll keep recording all the days and put everything together up until we make a whole weekly vlog. So stay tuned. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in to the new ones, guys. If you are new to this channel, my name is Yoroke Kamuvete. I create content about cultural beauty, especially of a Herero traditional dress, the story behind of a Herero traditional dress, how to make their headgear, how to make their dress, the undergarments, everything about of a Herero traditional. I create content about lifestyle. So this one is going to be not a lifestyle, but I'm going to give you a little, just like random things what I'm going to do. And then also I create content about talks. We are going to talk about a lot, we are going to share a lot, we are going to share all beautiful things. So down here I'm cutting of a Herero traditional dress. The first thing I do out of those 6 meters or 5 yards, I remove the part which is going to make the Herero traditional headgear, and then from there I cut my flare dress, my flare part of the dress, which is like the bottom part of the dress. So I took measurements and then I cut it, yeah, just like that. From there we make we do a little bit of sewing on the putting together or hore no shikaiva then atiata to shikaiva there. Now I'm atungro shikaiva there. Now I'm taking the measurements for the upper waist bikonde toho pokatino shike. Today we are going to make over Herero traditional headgear. First you have to have 2 pieces of fabric materials which are cut in a triangle shape. One have to be smaller than the other one, and it have to be 100% cotton because it's the one giving a solid support to the one which is going to be the outer part. So this is the 100% cotton that I rolled on my head. I pin it at the back. I make sure it's in a horn shape. Second thing I do, I pin this rolled newspaper with a piece of material that is going to be the outer part of this whole traditional headgear I'm making today. So I pin it at the back and then tie the 2 sides which are left, tie it at the back, and then from there I start making sure that this pieces sit well on my head, is tidy before I start pinning it together. So now this headgear, I can see it's coming together. It's giving me the shape and direction of, okay, now it's there. It's all not almost, but now I can see what I'm doing. So I will start pinning. The first thing you have to start pinning with are those 2 sides which are I first tied at the back of my head. Those one that I'm trying to turned there, because there is a unique way of turning them. Maybe on my next video I'll show you how to make, it's called a tikuriro, how to pin a tikuriro so that it can come together properly. So you see I pinned the first part, and now I'm pinning the second part. This second part, it have to be straight with your nose. I can say between your eyebrows there. Yeah, it have to be straight with your face. After pinning that one, I pin it on the top, and then I remove this headgear from my head, because normally I love it pinning it on my hands, and then I'll put it back on my head like this. Now I pin it on both sides on top. I can see now there it's not yet finished, it's coming. Yeah, I I finished pinning on top there. Okay, now the final part here, I'm going to pin that last part which is up there, called etikuri, which is not yet arranged properly on top of my head to sit very well. So, and the aim of this traditional headgear was to achieve a little bit a wider headgear on top, like pombandanu or shikaiva shanja shikaro shinaro. It's always a bit narrow. Now I'm trying to make it wider. Shiparange shinyotoroke na wamumunu. I'm pinning and pinning and pinning. The pinning and pinning continue. Final result, I think we are not yet done, but yeah, it's giving. It's coming together. Yeah. Okay. Now that's the final results. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to another day. Today I'm doing stitching. Today I'm just going to cover this beautiful red dress that I designed for a client, and she gave me hair design and knit a lot of kind of boobs covering. Is it a boobs apongwe? But akainasha. So today I'm just doing stitching, like I have to cover those whole pattern that around the bra cup. After many years of many years and many years and many years of stitching, and we are almost there. Yeah. So maybe if you want to know, or if you want to inquire, or if you want to do something, holla your girl on Instagram. Yeah. Oh, I really enjoyed this. I enjoyed working with this dress because it had a lot of things that I never experienced before. This whole stitching and stitching and stitching, like it was an wow, wow. But yeah, at the end of the day, I'm happy about the work. How do you think about it? Can you tell me in the comment section? How do you think about this beautiful covering of rehair, or how do you call this? Yeah, we are almost there. We are almost there. It's done. Done. Deal done. And it's looking so beautiful. I hope the owner will be happy, like the way I am happy. Guys, can you tell me, how do you think about this? Yo. So it's another beautiful day, and welcome to this vlog. The vlog still continue. Today I'm just sewing odondroko, the undergarments, which just give this puffy, beautiful, vibrant look. Huge you look on the Herero dress. So these are the roko that I'm making. It's called ondoroko, undergarments petticoat. It's got 5 layers. Mba katiti mba improve mba eta movina mba weather kokusha inga ya mari rondoroko toyo njinda okanete ike mweuriri maranjezarwe olondoroko uriri marapi noshitako mokoto no shikoko kombanda. Yeah, so I'm there now. It's looking so cute now. I'm positioning it in the proper way using my doll. I received my Temu package, and let's unbox them together. So Temu is this, it's a app muto sister yo Alibaba no po katiti no kapale kombando Alibaba po. It's like a sister to AliExpress, something like that, but it's a very affordable. I don't know how about their product qualities, but all I can assure you, it's a very very affordable. I just picked a lot of stuff from Temu, hence the price was like wow. Let's open together now and see what I got from Temu. And I'm wearing my beautiful t-shirt here saying positive mind, positive vibe, and positive life. There was this other time when everybody on social media was going on sending the link and sharing this Temu link, and by that time I was busy with sewing, so I didn't even took part on sharing the link. And I just finished with my sewing. I was like, okay, now let me visit Temu for a few seconds, and I could see like a lot of sometimes I buy things from AliExpress, and it seems like also those products I can see them on Temu, and some of these things that we buy from chain, and I'm like, okay, let me grab some goodie for myself. All right, so Temu. I got my scissor here. Okay, the first product I got is this something for my workout, body shaper for my workout. I don't know why it's so ooh, I don't know why it's so soft in. It's very soft. Oh no, it's not soft. It's going to do its job. Okay, let me see myself in the mirror. Wow, wow, wow. Temu, 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 temu. All right, it's something for my workout though, and I wish I could show you, but my space. Okay, here it is, kind of a body shaper for workouts. Another thing that I got is this. It's also okay. Okay. Okay, I think I should put my feet inside here. Okay. Okay. Yes, Temu, 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 Temu. I'm so impressed by this. I decided to take my weight loss journey so serious, very, very serious. And also, I'm so impressed by the results I have been seeing lately. And I don't know even what does it called, because Temu Temu decided to send, does not have a name from Temu Temu, no name, but I love it. I love it. Another one. Oh. We are going for summer holiday. I got this beautiful squared fake press on nails. They are squared and I love them so much because they are squared. From here, this video, I don't know if it's going to work how, but I'm going to change this wireless microphone. Okay, let's test from Temu Temu. There's something that I want to open somewhere here. Okay, it's a cable. I think this is for charging or what? Are they chargeable? Okay. Okay. It's looking for connectivity. Are they chargeable? I don't know, but I'm going to try it right now. From here now, the sound will be a little bit different, or it will be more of a quality, or more of less of noise and echo. Okay, echo. English, my dear. Anyway, they are also in the square shape and I love them so much. I love them. I can't wait to go on my holiday. For somebody who's doing skincare routines, like I'm so serious with my skin, you can see it's not a good thing to get product which are not, maybe I don't know if they are tested by the dermatologist or not, but I got eye mask, something like that. Eye mask. Okay. how should I put it? Okay, eye mask. Okay, I don't know how safe it is to put this on my face, but yeah, sometimes we see things on social media and we want to try it, but then later they bring problems on our face. Anyway, shisha tomunika shinambede mbokare. Pothia. I have been seeing a lot of reviews about the pigment developing under your eyes or something like that. Apparently, it's helping. So, we are trying Temu Temu. I always have this with me. I always have this with me. So I saw it. The price was like I think like £3 or something. And I was like, okay, why can I not get one for myself? Okay. Can I not turn it in another shape? Wow. So it comes with a remote, hence I love taking pictures. Temu, don't make like that, please. How to make this one work? Temu. Okay, I'll figure this one. I will figure it out. I will try and check how does it work. But what I love about it, it's like a mini tripod stand. What I love about it, it's a mini tripod stand, especially for those golden hours pictures and you are alone, you went out for a walk, or you just want to vlog. You want to vlog, but then for vlogging, it's only for vlogging. This one, can I not turn this in a why it's not giving me why this one? It's only for vlogging. I'll figure it out as well, because it seems like it's only the phone can only stand like this. It seems like the phone can only stand like this, but how if I want it? Okay, I want it like this. Anyway, I got this one also from Temu. I love it. I love it. Ooh. Okay, all you need to is to on your handbag as a content creator. Temu. Wow, the quality, heaven, the quality here. One, it's for workout, and it's also a, how do you call this? The thumb hole tee or whatever t-shirts, thumb hole something for workout. It's supposed to be a two-piece. It's supposed to be a two-piece. Why did they send one? Temu. Okay, let's open this one again. Temu. I got this beautiful, lovely dress. Temu. Okay, I got this lovely dress. I don't know now if I should try it or I should wait, but I'm impressed. Okay, let's check the sleeves. Okay, yeah. Oh, I got this. Wow. For those people who have been like, Yore, got yourself a workout bra. I got a workout bra. It's here. This one, it's so quality on another level. we are going for summertime. I got this 2-piece. I got this for my summer holiday. Summer holiday. Summer holiday. I'm a baby girl in a baby world. Next week it's a baby. Ooh, this one is very big. This one it's very big. You can't tell me. What can I do now? Huh? What can I do now? This one it's already big size. I think they sent me a wrong size. Size maybe Herero kururi. I wanted something tight. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to wear this one. Like I'm looking forward to wear this with Air Force. Just kind of relaxed jumpsuit. Or jumpsuit, summer kind of jumpsuit. I can't wait to wear it tomorrow or Saturday. I'll wear it very soon with Air Force shoes, and it will be wow, 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 wow. Yes, this one will give. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's giving that kind of, the quality is so good, man. I didn't thought Temu got this quality no. Temu mashitomba Temu. I couldn't disappoint, because if I could not get something in orange, definitely I could disappoint you. Temu. Okay. Summertime. Summer vibe. Summertime. Enjoy nenenji. Hey, money go nin. Summertime. Summer vibe. The quality, it's saying let's go to summer. I nearly forgot to open this one. I'm a baby doll with a baby. Next week it's I'm a baby girl with a baby doll. I'm a baby girl with a baby doll. Okay. It's giving that kind of a baby movie. It's giving the baby movie. It's going to be released by next week. Those are my products I got from Temu. I'm impressed by most of them. The quality, it's good. I'm happy. I'm good. Hi guys, welcome to another beautiful day. Today I'm going to do wig washing. I'm going to wash wigs. There are people who requested me to do their wigs, to curl them, to roll them, to roll their wigs. So I was like, okay, let me do mine as well. So I'm here now washing these wigs before I roll them or style them. I'm not styling, actually. Yeah. Ogusha, I'm just busy washing this wig. This one, the water, it's not dirty. Guys, don't come for me. The water, it's in that color, disgusting, whatever. No. This wig was orange in, was maroon in color. So, and then atunda from maroon to black. That's why the water was in that color. So this is wig number 2 now. Okukoha nokuditengela noku shampoo nokuconditioner, and then we move. I just like, how do you feel about this vlog? I hope you enjoy it. You are enjoying, and still the vlog is not yet done. I think there are some few things I'm going to record again. So keep watching, and yeah. Yes, so nima tuko hobi week already to homo to nepa conditioner, and you know, conditioner kushaviriro visofta toho shimatoka andra embeni hanje mavisha ya njo silky conditioner. Silk conditioner, it's called silky condition. Bitomo conditioner njo ndenga, and then kwambie kutomo wekwe kufanalize no silky conditioner just to give them that kind of shiny and yeah, now. So now I'm almost done. I'm just going to do a little bit of cleaning, and then from there I'm going to roll this hair. Today is the last day of this vlog. It has been a long weekly vlog. I think if you come at this point, you have seen how I had a busy week. So now I'm going to pack all the things that I've been sewing, all these hairs that I've been rolling, all the things that you have been seeing are around. Okay, I'm going to pack, do the parceling now. There's something that I just want to tell you. Remember, there was a time, but if you go down in my vlogs, if you go down in my videos, you will see there were videos that I normally used to vlog to go to the post office to go and send my parcels, especially those days when I used to learn how to make traditional headgears. But guess what? I'm just going to arrange my parcels. The postman will just come and pick them just from the doorstep. How good is that? I'm so grateful for that. I used to walk like 20 minutes to the post office, hence I'm a little bit in the countryside. And now I got my parcels bags. But for this one, for these other things, I just turn this parcel bag because these are just small things, small clothes that somebody wanted me to adjust for them, but unfortunately I could not do it since I did not find the fabric materials, to make the adjustments. Along the parcel man is going to bring along the stickers. So this robot got how many layers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. A hole on the roko. Munoshitako mukoto. On the window layer done. Okay, let me turn it around. I'm not going to close it. I need to put my thank you card inside, which is arriving tomorrow. I don't know what happened. They are telling me the card is arriving. I have just ordered those cards and apparently it's arriving tomorrow. So I'm waiting, hopefully finger crossed, for those cards to arrive tomorrow with the postman, who is as soon as he delivers them, then I can put them in, and then we put the sticker. The parcelman can take this parcel along. Hey. No, I used to have sleepless nights. These are the moment home girl is having sleepless nights because she have to pack the parcels. Okay, let's continue with the packaging. I think it can go very well inside the head. The capacity of holding your whole head there. I think this vlog is going to end here. I'm so tired. I need to sleep now. But I'm left with one thing to do tomorrow morning. The rest, I'm done. I made sure I put some extra pieces of materials, maybe in case maybe the dress becomes small or the dress it's somehow need to be adjusted. You know, the challenges of distance barriers from your clients. We don't get chance for them to come and fit their dresses. So finger crossed, everything is going to be well and fine. But at least I can see there is a big improvement in myself in the measurements, in the taking of measurements. Yeah, so finger crossed, everything is going to be fine. Yeah. Enyando shike, ofarama shike, mbobanyemba mana. The postman is here now collecting my parcels and going to send them to my clients. Yes, so thank you for watching this video up to this, and it's about to come to an end. Thank you so much. There, yeah, I will receive an email, right?
You should get it now. Yeah, it should go.